Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for all the nail art lovers out there. Imagine being able to create stunning, professional quality nail designs from the comfort of your own home, with ease and precision. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let me introduce you to the nail printer machine, a revolutionary device that's about to take your nail care routine to the next level. One of the standout features of this incredible machine is its 10.1-inch touchscreen and one-touch printing capability. This intuitive interface allows you to command your creativity, easily designing and previewing your custom nail art before printing it with a single tap. The touchscreen is constructed with durable ABS plastic, ensuring that your device will withstand the test of time. But what really sets this machine apart is its ability to produce professional quality designs, photos, or text in just 10 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, 10 seconds. And with its long-lasting, vibrant results that resist chipping for over 20 days, you'll be enjoying salon-quality manicures without the salon prices. But that's not all. This nail printer machine also comes with an innovative design library and smartphone app control, giving you access to over 500 unique designs or the ability to upload your own images for customized creations. The user-friendly touch interface lets you easily adjust and perfect each detail in seconds, making it perfect for both nail art enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this machine makes it easy to achieve salon-quality results at home, no experience needed. Imagine being able to create intricate designs, patterns, and even photos on your nails with ease. The possibilities are endless. Another key feature of this device is its smart auto fit and 2400 DPI precision. The automatic nail size detection ensures perfect alignment with your nail's natural curves, giving you ultimate control with manual fine-tuning options. Coupled with professional-grade 2400 DPI printing, you'll be creating stunningly detailed and vibrant nail art that rivals salon quality, making every manicure a masterpiece. And with its ability to detect the size of your nail, you'll never have to worry about uneven or misaligned designs again. But what really makes this machine a complete pro kit is the fact that it comes with everything you need to get started, including consumables for over 1,000 nail applications, 5 specialized printing liquids, base coat, seal coat, nail plate holder, USB-C cable, LED curing light, and a card. This all-in-one kit is perfect for beginners and professional nail technicians alike, giving you the freedom to create stunning nail designs effortlessly. And with its 3D automatic printing capability, you'll be able to create intricate designs in just 30 seconds, saving you valuable time and elevating your nail care routine to new heights. So what are you waiting for? If you're a nail art enthusiast or just looking to take your nail care routine to the next level, this nail printer machine is a must-have. With its ease of use, precision, and versatility, you'll be creating stunning, professional-quality nail designs in no time. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible device. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, with this nail printer machine, the possibilities are endless, and your nail care routine will never be the same again. Get ready to unleash your creativity and take your nail art to new heights. You deserve to look and feel your best, and this machine is the perfect tool to help you achieve that.